Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Lena and today's video is all about cleaning, which I know is not like a very, sexy topic, but not everybody likes that. It actually is a hot topic because a lot of people are making these videos now. So I wanted to do my version in my room, which is a very important place for me because this is where I come to unwind after a long day. I feel like a room really reflects a lot about the person, and my room definitely does that. It's definitely me. I'm really happy with how my room came out and I'm really excited for you guys to see it. This is the first video of my little series that I'm doing, which is that basically I'm going to be redecorating my room. So cleaning it and just rearranging the furniture was the first part. And then the second video, I'm going to be taking you guys shopping with me, and then we're going to be like decorating my room. So it's going to be really cool. Let's just get into the video because it's going to be a long one. This is my bed. This chair, that. So the first thing that I did was take off all the blankets from my bed and wash them. Okay, so basically I just put all my clothes away. I'm going to focus on my dresser situation and just like empty it out and stuff. This is basically where I put all my makeup and stuff at, and it's just to get into it before a mental breakdown. So then I moved on to my desk and I basically cleared everything off and put it on my bed. It's a weird thing. I just put like all my little knickknacks on there, and it's not really like a workstation, it's just more of like a display area, and then I have my makeup. This is how it looks right now. Super dusty. I went ahead and organized this one. I had a bunch of junk in it, but now I took out like all the stuff I don't need or don't want, and it just has all my pictures in here, like my Polaroids in here, and then some other like film photos are just in this one, and then some birthday cards and stuff, and then I have some film right there. So yeah, this one is good. So now I have to get into these, which is gonna be a bit harder. So on to the second drawer, more junk. It had some books in there and like yearbooks and stuff, and I don't have the heart to just throw away my middle school yearbook, so I'm just gonna put that back in there. I also put some journals. That drawer is basically gonna be my book drawer. This drawer, I don't know if you guys seen how it looked before. Definitely doesn't look like super organized probably to you guys, but it looks organized to me because I feel like this drawer has a purpose now. Before it was just holding a bunch of shit, and now it's just holding a bunch of like camera shit. Now this one, you guys didn't see how this one looked either, but I emptied it out. I'm doing a really bad job with this. And now I just have like my journals. I have an empty album in here. I have some camera, Polaroid stuff, my headphones, some old flash drives that I'm gonna try out, see if they have anything. This is an incense holder. I just put it in here for now, but I think I'm gonna put it on my table. And then we have this. And then my third drawer is my underwear drawer. My drawer would always be open. I wouldn't be able to close it because it was just jammed packed. I folded my underwear, which is so annoying to do because it's just like a weird shape. So now it looks more organized. I got rid of some underwear, and I also am getting rid of some bathing suits. But yeah, this is how it looks. Cool. Oops, now I can close it, which is good because I wasn't able to before. Now I'm going to tackle this situation over here. So the reason why I'm not like cleaning anything on the table right now is because I think I might rearrange all my furniture. So basically I'm just cleaning the inside of this because I want to have everything ready so when I move it around I don't have to worry about that. I wanted my desk to actually be a desk, so yeah, I got rid of some stuff. I went through everything and then I was like, okay, I don't need that, I don't need that. So like it has a purpose now. Before it was just a bunch of junk, and now it's not. And I'm so happy because I can actually close my underwear drawer now, and I wasn't able to do that before, so it's a big deal. What have I done? Now I put like a bunch of junk on my bed. This is all from this table right here. So I have like all my makeup and bathroom stuff, and then just some other things that I'm gonna look at. Those socks are gonna go with the mismatched socks drawer. Those stuff I'm gonna like donate. I just emptied out this spot, kind of. I still need to go over it. I just don't know how to focus on this thing because it's just a mess, but like all of this is trash. That box right there is not trash, but it's just a lot. Christian came to help me because I don't know what to do. Hi.
Hello.
So Christian's supposed to be my recorder, but he hasn't been recording anything because he's been moving everything. So this is what we have so far. We put the bed over here. This is temporary because we're gonna get the crates and put my bed lower on the floor so it's gonna look better. And then I'm also gonna get new sheets. And I think we're gonna move this table on this side. I'm not sure though.
That's a heavy table.
I ended up moving my trunk underneath my vanity, my mirrors that I have, and I actually really love it right here. It looks so nice. I think it looks way better than how it used to be. And then we moved my table to the opposite side of my room, and it just looks so good. And then my bed is now against my window, and I love the setup. It's so much more space and it feels much more open and cleaner and bigger. Christian got me this for my birthday.
What do you keep? I need to stop giving you stuff. You just keep everything I give you. Throw this away.
No. Just stop giving me junk like this.
That's not junk. What are you talking about?
This is huge. I think you should have done like a little baby card.
First off, I didn't know the present was I was gonna give her some money so she could buy some tickets so we could go flying on a trip. Thing is, 7-Eleven only has these cards, and that's the only card I could have bought, so that's the reason why I bought that. It's back in the day when we were young, though.
I was in Hawaii.
Right in the front.
Was that a real flower?
Yeah, I picked it from a tree.
Aww. Hey guys, so here's a little status update. Christian left, and he helped me a lot with moving some furniture around, but I'm just like overwhelmed because there's a lot of stuff and I don't know where to start. I'm just gonna show you guys. I still have some stuff on my bed. I have these, which, I mean, it's not too much, but look at that. And there's so much room for activities. I think I'm gonna just go through my stuff right here on my bed and put it where it needs to go. And then after that, I'm going to move on to all the crap over there and like figure that out. This. I'm gonna plant over here. And still trying to figure out this situation. My desk. I have my doggy bed under there. I still have all this. So what do? I don't know. One of the last things I did was clean up my shelf, which I had a bunch of knickknacks, pictures, cameras on, and I moved all my cameras to the top shelf. And then I just went through everything and I cleaned it up, made sure, took off all the dust and everything. And then I just hung up some pictures, and then I put more pictures in my drawer. I cleaned off the shelf and I have that on my cameras, and now I'm just gonna put everything back, but like more organized and stuff. So at this point my room is done. I just had to put all my stuff the way I wanted it, like my little knickknacks, my picture frames. I put my keyboard on my table. I don't have a lot of junk on it no more. It looks like it's a work desk, which is what I wanted it to be, but it doesn't look like it's strictly for work. It just looks like, you know, hey, somebody writes books on there every now and then. I just want everything to be intentional. now this is how my room looks. I do have some stuff that I want to do. I definitely want to get rid of, not get rid of, but just take down my meditation flag that I got in Bali. It's not going to go with the vibe that I want. So I might take it down. I might leave it up. I'm not sure yet. I don't want to have a blank wall because I just like having some like piece of art. I got plants. I have this plant I just bought. I have the name, I forgot. And then I have another plant, which is the alganima plant. It's good to have a lot of plants in your room. What's on my shopping list for my room is a rug, art piece for my room. I also want to get pallets for my bed to sit on because I don't want to have it so high up like how it is right now. I prefer when my bed is low. I also want to get new sheets. What else do I need for my room? I don't need anything, but I want these stuff. It's gonna create that new vibe, and I need creativity in my life because right now I'm kind of stuck. I don't know what to do with my life, and I decided to make YouTube videos because I like doing this, and this is a creative outlet, and I feel like if I stay creative then something will happen and I will figure myself out somehow. I think that's basically it, and then if I find things then I will of course, you know, add it on. Definitely more plants, like that's what I'm gonna be getting from my room. I think we've come to the end of this video. Thank you guys so much for watching and for coming along this journey, this transformation of my room. I'm so happy with how it came out, and I hope you guys enjoyed this video and maybe it inspired you to clean your room. Subscribe if you guys like, if you guys want to see how my room turns out, and I'm going to be doing a full-on room tour. It's gonna be way better than how I showed you guys in this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please subscribe if you guys want, and if you guys like me, you guys can follow me at LENAYGALLO on Instagram. Leave a comment of what videos you want to see, where you guys are from, what you guys are doing with your life, and just some inspiring stuff if you guys have made it this far. Thank you guys for watching. I really do appreciate it. If you guys like and if you guys subscribe, it really does mean a lot to me. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.